हाय फ्रेंड। तो आज हम हमारा ये जो टॉपिक है सेल द यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ, इसके बारे में हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज मीन बाय सेल, सेल क्या होता है ये हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। तो सेल दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन ऑल लिविंग बींग्स। तो सेल की डेफिनेशन यहाँ पे है कि सेल is the fundamental, structural and functional unit of life, all the living organisms. Why it is called structural and functional and fundamental unit of living organism? Because all the living organisms are mixed from the cells. सभी एनिमल्स में सेल होता है, इसलिए इसको हम स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ बोलते हैं। तो ये जो सेल है, सेल फर्स्ट of all saw and described by the scientist, that is the Anton Leeuwenhoek. Then after this there is the Robert Brown, who discovered the nucleus in the cell. Then after the inventions of microscopes and electron microscope, we reveal all the structural details of the cell. ये जो सेल है, सेल के सभी स्ट्रक्चरल हमने यहाँ पे डिस्कवर किए हैं। Then living organisms are classified into two types. Basically, living organisms are classified into two types, such as first one, that is the unicellular living organism. Second is the multicellular living organism. Unicellular organisms which having the single cells and they are independent existence and they perform the essential functions of life. यह हम इसके खुद के functions खुद perform करता है। Whereas multicellular having the multiple cells. Then these cells are classified into two types, that is prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Where prokaryotic cells are less evolved and eukaryotic cells are highly evolved cells here. Then ये जो cells है, इसमें structural organizations is also having the different. Then here some of the cells which having the different sizes. For example, here smallest cell, that is the mycoplasm, which is only 0.3 size micrometers, 0.3 micrometers in length. Then bacteria which having 3 to 5 micrometer length. Then eggs of ostrich, which is the largest isolated single cells. Then after human RBCs, that is the red blood cells, having the diameter about 7 micrometer. Then nerve cells, which is the longest cell in our humans. तो ये कुछ साइजेस हैं ये हमारे सेल्स के, यहाँ पे प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स एंड यूकैरियोटिक सेल्स दोनों सेल यहाँ पे है। Then this is the virus which having the size that is 0.02 to 0.2 micrometer. Then after this the cells having the different shapes. ये जो सेल है, सेल को different shapes होते हैं, जैसे कि डिस्क लाइक है, पॉलीगोनल है, then columnar, cuboid, then thread like और irregular shapes we can be found in the cells. सेल के ये कुछ shapes होते हैं and they perform the different functions according to their shapes. तो सेल different functions perform करता है। Then after this the different shapes of the cells we can be see here. हम कुछ सेल के shapes यहाँ पे देखते हैं। जो फर्स्ट है RBCs और the red blood cells which can be round and biconcave shapes. Then after this there is the WBC, that is the white blood cells which having the structure as like the amoeba, so it is amoeboid in shape. Then this is the next shape, that is the columnar epithelial cells which is the long and narrow. Then next shape, that is the that is the mesophyll cells which is round and oval in the plant cell. Then after this is the longest cells in our body, that is the nerve cell which is in branch form. Then this is the trachea or the elongated cell which is observed in plant cell. So here is the some points. Thank you.